Going to show you guys my editing app, and that app which hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys my editing app, and that app which I use to edit my videos. So this app is called Filmora Go. It is by Wondershare. You guys can install this app by Play Store or App Store or Apple Store. Okay, so first of all, I installed it, and here it is. So I have my account in it, and I have my everything in it already. So guys, I'm just gonna show you really quick. So for application, to use this you need Wi-Fi or whatever you use, mobile data. So you need net for this app. Without that it won't work. And there are usually really very less applications that work without you know network. So let me show you guys. Okay, so now what you have to do, you can download all the material center and all in this one. So I have this one. Okay, so I can use this one. I have a lot of them. Okay, so here we go to new project. From this here, right here, we'll go to it, and here it gives us that whatever pictures that we can use. We can even use the stock pictures. We have some pictures like this. So first of all, let me show you how you can edit the pictures. So I'll take any 5 to 10 random pictures. So let's take, so all these need to be downloaded. That is why we need that. It is not saved in your roll camera, in your gallery, but they are downloaded in this app, and you can use these ones in this app only. So I am downloading almost all the pictures with flowers. Okay, now yeah, this one we don't need from here. So all of them are listed here. Now if we do not need anyone, now we can cross it out, and here we have 11 of our pictures. Let's go now. Okay, so all these are with us now, and first of all, let us start with, there are 11 of them, and we need all of them to be 4 seconds long. All of them are 3 minutes 3 seconds long right now. Okay, so I want to make, suppose, this one for a very less time. So I can just, from this white bar, I can just decrease its time, and I can also increase its time like this. It can be like 1 minute or 20 seconds and all. So I'm keeping it I'm keeping it 2.1 second. Now this one I'm gonna increase a little time like this. I'm gonna edit every one of them. So this picture is doubled. Okay, so like, to delete this picture, what I can do is these pictures are same, right? No, they are not same, but these flowers are same, so I am gonna delete them. So to delete them, I'm gonna click on this picture, and here you can see there's bin button, or you say something. So you can just have to click over here, and this picture is deleted. Sometimes what we want is one picture to be doubled. Sometimes you need to add effects. So what we can do is, suppose I want this picture to be doubled. Okay, so here I have this button. It might be blinking at your side in purple. So like this one, I am gonna click. First of all, I'm gonna click on the picture right here. You can click from the timeline, or you can click on the picture itself, and then you can double it. Now I want to delete it, so I'm gonna delete it. Okay, now suppose I have a video, It's usually for a video. I want to cut the end part of it. Yeah, the end part will cut if I in a video I do it like this. And for that I'm gonna add a video. I have added this video right here. So it's a clay modeling that I made anyways. So I just want, it is 5 minutes 8 seconds long. So if I want to cut its last ending parts, so I'm just gonna trim it from here, and I don't want the starting part too, so I'm gonna trim it from the starting after clicking on it. I need it of 3 seconds, so I'm just gonna trim it to 3 seconds. Now suppose I want to cut it in half, like from the between, and then I just want to add some kind of transition. So here you can see this button, the purple button which is blinking in purple. If I want this one, then I'll just click on this one, and then you can see these white boxes along with white boxes along with black colored line strips on them. It is for transition, so you can use a lot of transitions right here. There are like around millions of them. So I don't have the pro one, so I've not paid for this application, so that is why I couldn't get the pro ones. But what I can get is what I have installed, like this one. So I'm gonna just add this one, or if I don't like the color, I can change the color to this one, pink one. There are a lot of more. Okay, so we'll add different transitions to every one of them. Okay, so let's add a colorful transition. Let's see what do we have. So there are a lot of them, so let me add this one. I really like this one. Okay, next let's see what we can add. Simple fashion, we don't have that, but what we have is geometry ones. So these are like this geometricals one. Then what I have is flowing I don't have. I have painted brush, a few of the painted brushes one. Now let's add, how about pixel games, or let's add sparkle motion. So it's like there is sparkle that takes away the picture. Next let me add a glitch transition. I really think it's gonna be good. No, I don't really like them. Let's see about mosaic. Nope, that's not cute. Dissipate, nah, I don't really like it. Star transition, yeah, this is beautiful. Let's add one of them. Yeah, so it looks great, right guys? These transitions are really very beautiful, and I just love them. Now let's see about cool transitions. Okay, let's see cool, yeah, right, cool. And then let's see digital, we have, let's see flashlight transition, modern transition. Okay, let's add modern transition to it now. Okay, so I added this modern transition. Let's check for hello summer pack. Okay, I really like this one, so we've added it. So that is all. Now for here, let me add the fade one. So now it's like this. Yeah, so it looks great guys. Now to add music, I can add music from here, any of them. These are pro music, you just need to download them. So that is it for today's video guys. If you want to see the part 2 of this video, then please like, share and subscribe. And if this video gets to 50 likes, or maybe like, let me less it up, 50 likes are way too much, let's keep it 25 likes. If this video gets 25 likes, then I'm gonna make part 2 and part 3 of it, because it's never too less to make parts for this video. This is if pass. So yeah, so you can see this video.